common verbs in Persian or Farsi language with examples. Hello my lovely friends, welcome back to Learn Persian with Asal. Today we have another part of learning common verbs with examples in Persian or Farsi language. I have a playlist which named Common Verbs in Persian. You can find the common verb playlist and you can watch any parts that you want. Or also I put the links in the description so you can click on any parts that you want to watch. In each part, I teach you 5 common Persian or Farsi verbs with examples. I try my best to pick the examples that are useful in your daily conversation and improve your speaking. Okay, let's start it. نوشیدن 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 To drink. Present stem is نوش. And the past stem is نوشید. Examples. من هر روز 1 لیوان شیر می نوشم. من هر روز 1 لیوان شیر می نوشم. من هر روز 1 لیوان شیر می نوشم. آنها در مهمانی شراب نوشیدند. آنها در مهمانی شراب نوشیدند. As you see, I use formal Persian, a Persian that used in written language. As you can see, یک, مهمانی. I didn't say ye. As you know, in spoken Persian, we say ye instead of yek. Ye livan, not yek livan. And also, in spoken Persian, we say mehmuni instead of mehmani. Mehmani is formal. It's using in written Persian. Why I used the formal forms of these words? Because the verb of nushidan. The verb of nushidan is a formal verb. It's a common verb used a lot and you have to know the meaning. We don't use this verb in spoken Persian. In spoken Persian, no one says من یه لیوان شیر نوشیدم, شراب بنوش. In spoken Persian, we usually use the verb خوردن. 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 To eat. Present stem is خور and the past stem is خورد. Let's see examples. من صبحونه نون و پنیر میخورم. 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 Note that when I spoke fast, I omit the he sound in صبحونه. I didn't say من صبحونه. I said صبحونه. صبحونه. So I omit the he sound. Okay? And also here, va turns into o. It pronounced o. Nuno. Nuno panir. Not nunu va panir. من صبحونه نون و پنیر میخورم. The next example. چی میخوری؟ چیپس میخوری؟ آره. چی میخوری؟ چیپس میخوری؟ آره. چی میخوری؟ چیپس میخوری؟ آره. Why did I choose this sentence? This is a very famous and a common sentence in Iran, and you know, the tone is very important. You have to say it like this. چی میخوری؟ چیپس میخوری؟ آره. چی میخوری؟ چیپس میخوری؟ آره. Why I chose this sentence? Nowadays, this sentence is very trendy here. This sentence originally is from a very kind woman that is talking to her child. She was recording a video. And she said, چی میخوری؟ Chips میخوری؟ آره. But after that, this sentence became very famous and you can see lots of dub smashes. Also, they create this sound like music and there are lots of meme of this sentence. So, you are a Persian learner and I think you have to know about the trends and jokes that nowadays Persian speakers use it. And I'm going to play the original sounds for you. Listen.
چی میخوره؟ چیپس میخوره؟ اره.
And I recommend you to say this sentence with exact the same tone and rhythm to your Persian speaker friend and watch their reactions. I'm sure that they will ask you, how do you know that? And write for me their reaction. I really want to know how were their reaction. Okay, let's move on. The third verb is عاشق شدن. عاشق شدن. عاشق شدن. عاشق شدن. عاشق شدن is a compound verb. If you don't know what is a compound verb, watch the video, watch the part 1 of the common verbs I talk about there. In short, common verb consists of 2 or more words. Here it consists of عاشق and شدن. And شدن is a simple verb. And in conjugating, we only conjugate the simple verb. So the present stem is شو and the past stem is شد. Examples. من در اولین نگاه عاشقش شدم. من در اولین نگاه عاشقش شدم. من در اولین نگاه عاشقش شدم. آنها عاشق شدند و ازدواج کردند. آنها عاشق شدند و ازدواج کردند. آنها عاشق شدند و ازدواج کردند. Here, instead of عاشق شدند و ازدواج کردند, I said شدند و. شدند و. And also in spoken Persian, I omit the D sound. I said ازدواج کردن. کردن. I didn't say کردند. آنها عاشق شدند و ازدواج کردند. Or also, I can also omit the D sound in شدند. I could say عاشق شدن و ازدواج کردن. عاشق شدن و ازدواج کردن. Both ways are correct. You can choose which one that is more easy for you. Easier for you. Well, guys, as you know, I have launched my Patreon account and I really support your appreciation. I mean, I really appreciate your support and I put the link here and also you can find it in the description. So if you want to support me more, you can join on my Patreon. Also, you can find more examples of common verbs and other videos on my Patreon. And you know that there is no obligation, but there is much appreciation. And also, if you want to learn Persian, you can subscribe to Learn Persian with Asal channel. And also, if you're enjoying learning Persian with me, you can like the video. Okay, let's move on. ترسیدن. 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 To fear. The present stem is ترس and the past stem is ترسید. So let's see the examples. نترس. من اینجام. نترس. من اینجام. نترس. من اینجام. Usually in Persian we use this sentence to calm someone down and tell them that we are here for you, I'm supporting you, don't worry about anything. So you can say نترس من اینجام. Also نگران نباش من اینجام. Okay, I'm here for you. I help you. So it's very useful sentence. Try to use it a lot. باید بترسونیش تا دیگه سکسکه نکنه. باید بترسونیش تا دیگه سکسکه نکنه. Refers to he or she in Persian او. او را بترسونی. So باید بترسونیش تا دیگه سکسکه نکنه. Do you scare someone that have hiccups or do something else? Give them some water, some food. And the last verb is پیدا کردن. پیدا کردن. پیدا کردن. To find. Present stem کن and the past stem کرد. Also, پیدا کردن is a compound verb. You can see it consists of two words, پیدا and a simple verb کردن. او گم شده اش را پیدا کرد. او گم شده اش را پیدا کرد. او گم شده اش را پیدا کرد. مشکل رو پیدا کردی؟ مشکل رو پیدا کردی؟ مشکل رو پیدا کردی؟ Note that in spoken Persian, when I spoke fast, I said مشکل رو پیدا کردی؟ مشکل رو پیدا کردی؟ Well guys, that was the common verbs in Persian or Farsi language. I hope you enjoyed. My recommendation is that to make some sentences with these verbs and share them in comments. I will check all of your answers as soon as possible. Well, بوس به کله هاتون. I'm Asal. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.